Vanness Wu, born August 7, 1978, is a Taiwanese-American singer and actor. He was a member of the Taiwanese boy band F4 and the Korean Mando pop duo Kangta and Vanness. Vanness Wu was born in Santa Monica, California to Taiwanese immigrant parents George Wu and Mimi Yang. He was named after Van Nuys Boulevard, where he and his parents used to live. After graduating Corona Del Mar High School in Newport Beach, California, he moved to Taiwan to pursue a career in entertainment. He learned to breakdance as a teenager and competed in numerous dance competitions throughout the 90s, won and featured in the 1998 breakdancing themed music video for Jason Nevine's remix of Run DMC's It's Like That. Wu starred as Imitation, one of the F4 members, in the Taiwanese drama series Meteor Garden and its sequel Meteor Garden 2. At the conclusion of the series, they continued to perform together and released 3 studio albums as the boy band F4. In 2002, Wu became the second F4 member after Vic Joe to release his debut solo album, Body Will Sing. The track, I Hate Myself, is listed at number 95 on Hit FM Taiwan's Hit FM Annual Top 100 Singles chart for 2002. The album was awarded as one of the top 10 selling Mandarin albums of the year at the 2002 IFP Hong Kong Album Sales Awards, presented by the Hong Kong branch of IFPI. In 2003, he performed a Mandarin Chinese rap in a version Beyoncé's single Crazy in Love, featured on the Asian special edition of her album Dangerously in Love. In 2004, Wu made his film debut in the Hong Kong film Star Runner and was nominated at the Hong Kong Film Awards for Best Newcomer. In 2006, he collaborated with Korean singer Kangta, forming Kangta and Vanness. The duo released the album Scandal. In 2008, Wu was announced as the opening act and special guest for Kanye West's Glow in the Dark concert in Shanghai. They performed the hit song Good Life. In January 2015, Wu was announced to be one of the judges of the talent show Asia's Got Talent, along with Indonesian French singer Anggun, Canadian musician David Foster, and former Spice Girls member Melanie C., which aired from March to May on AXN Asia. In July 2015, Wu returned to the Philippines after a decade of his first visit for the special show for the #Live in Levi's event sponsored by Levi's in line with the launch of the women's denim collection for fall 2015. Wu's performance was a way of thanking the brand's fans and style seekers. In 2016, it was announced that Wu would star in his first Chinese television series, The Princess Wei Yong, alongside Tiffany Tong, playing the 5th century prince and then Emperor Tuoba Yu of the Northern Wei dynasty. He was also in the science fiction film Piggyback. In the same year, he participated with his sister Melody in the 3rd season of The Amazing Race China, based on CBS's reality program of the same name, where they were eliminated on the 9th leg and finished 4th. In 2019, he starred in Ip Man 4, the finale alongside Donnie Yen, where he played Hartman Wu, a U.S. Marine Corps Staff Sergeant and Bruce Lee's student. In 2026, he reunited with fellow F4 members for their first world tour, F Forever. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.